Hi, welcome to the tutorial series on SAP BTP. In the last video, that is Introduction to SAP BTP Part 1, we have seen what is SAP BTP, what are the advantages of SAP BTP. Now, in this video, let's learn about what are the offerings, use cases, services, and what are the different ways to start with SAP BTP. So let's begin with the offerings of SAP BTP. SAP BTP offers a lot of capabilities for application development, automation, integration, data and analytics, and artificial intelligence. Let's know each one of the offerings at high level. First is the application development. Application development is nothing but a briefcase of frameworks, tools, and solution that eases the software development of custom applications and extensions for specific business purposes. At different levels of development, it provides functionalities that help to increase the development productivity with no code through the SAP Build or low code in SAP BAS. SAP BTP with application development provides both business and platform services that accelerates the development of cloud applications. Next offering is automation. SAP Build Process Automation has made workflow management and task automation simple and fast, which further fuels the innovation. Basically, this simple approach helped users to build no-code and drag-and-drop tools to automate the task and create the workflows. If we talk about the features of this SAP Build Process Automation, then we can say with this, automation is made simpler with the AI capabilities. Then fast development with the help of pre-built workflows and connectors for SAP and non-SAP system to the integrate easily. Then the development and deployment is made very fast with the pre-built workflows. Further, in these automation offerings, AI capabilities can also be used for analysis and the monitoring purpose. Next offering is integration. Basically, SAP Integration Suite is an integration platform as a service that allows to collect processes and integrate data across the landscape. It helps us quickly integrate on-premise and cloud-based services, processes, applications, data and events. SAP Integration Suite helps streamline SAP and third-party solution integration with thousands of pre-built integrations, connectors, API, and best practices. These pre-built integrations are managed and updated by SAP itself. Next offering of SAP BTP is data and analytics. It is one of the important offering of SAP BTP. SAP storage and management is achieved by databases such as SAP HANA, SAP HANA Cloud, SAP Adaptive Server Enterprise, SAP IQ, and SAP SQL Anywhere. Data can be managed and modeled with solutions such as SAP Data Quality Management, SAP Data Intelligence, SAP Master Data Governance, etc. Why we are saying this is one of the important offering of SAP BTP? Because with its modern multi-cloud architecture and built-in data privacy and security concepts, business users can securely access datasets and can share the models. SAP Data Analytics facilitates new technology to handle an organization's growing amount of data, which further helps to get meaningful and trusted final data to the organization and can translate insights into actionable plan. Also, these kind of analytic capabilities of SAP BTP will ultimately help to achieve business intelligence or organizations planning. Now you must be wondering which are the tools will be used for this data processing or for this analytical purpose. Yes, SAP BTP have this kind of the tools like SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP Data Warehouse Cloud, SAP Crystal Solution, SAP BW for HANA and SAP BI. Alright, let's move towards the last offering of SAP BTP, that is artificial intelligence. We have heard this terminology quite a bit and many of us are aware about what artificial intelligence is. So let's try to understand what is the role of the artificial intelligence in SAP BTP. Basically, artificial intelligence powers the SAP Business Technology Platform by accelerating innovation, optimizing processes, and maximizing resources. AI enables intelligent decision making by using data analytics to understand the specific issues. This helps organization to make the quick and exact decision based upon the root cause identified by the AI. So while talking about SAP BTP and artificial intelligence, we can say AI solutions unlock the valuable insights, provide the agile decisions, and automate tasks using intelligent technologies like SAP Conversational AI, SAP Intelligent RPA, and SAP AI Business Services. Perfect. So this is what all about offerings of SAP BTP at high level. Now let's move toward the next topic, that is the use cases of SAP BTP. So before learning about four main use cases of SAP BTP, Let's have a quick look on the example where SAP BTP is actually being used. So it is used to automate procurement ordering processes, then to accelerate integration, then create mobile applications to empower and engage the employees of that particular organization. Then SAP BTP is used to digitize paper-based processes in the SAP S/4HANA on-premise. Further, it is used to enhance core ERP business processes. Also, it is used to forecast consumer market share with SAP HANA Cloud and then accordingly to plan and predict the workforce demand. Alright, so let's go through the main use cases of SAP BTP. First is data to value. Today it has become vital that organizations should have a collective view across all their data sources so as to have rich insights and to make real-time decisions. Because of increasing volumes of data, it's important to have good data quality and data handling. And hence, insightful data and the use of the latest technology for data processing has become key to a flexible and scalable business tomorrow. So the summary is, in order to get value from the data, organization must analyze and interpret it and not just collect it. The next use case is integration. As we are aware that today complex IT landscapes have on-premise and cloud systems, then software as a service applications, cloud providers and third parties. Hence, integration is very important to enhance business operations by connecting all those systems and business processes seamlessly. Next use case is power of cloud. SAP can power any SAP application and third-party application to provide fast performance by having the cloud as the underlying layer or the database layer that is in the SAP HANA Cloud. Next use case is extensibility. Today organizations need to stay updated and practice the latest technology with respect to changing customer demands and new business conditions. So extensibility allows companies to build and enhance all their applications investment to meet their dynamic needs and provide continuous value. So with SAP BTP as an underlying platform, organizations can deliver these features. And with the rising amount of cloud solutions in the IT landscape, organizations need to think about extensibility and not modifications like in an old on-premise system. Perfect. So let's move toward the next topic, that is services of SAP BTP. So as of October 2025, 85 services are available under the SAP BTP. Now how to check which are the services available under SAP BTP? So this is the URL which you can use to check those services. Let's navigate to the browser. I will provide this URL in the comment section of this video. You will navigate to the SAP BTP services page of the Discovery Center of SAP, wherein you can see as of now there are 84 services are available, and these services are categorized into different types based upon the solutions, then based on commercial model, providers, regions and capabilities. So you can go through these different types in your free time. Now you can see here based on solution means for application development and automation solutions, if you click on it, then you can see there are 21 services are available. Similarly, for integration purpose, total 7 SAP BTP services are available which will be used to achieve the integration. Similarly, for artificial intelligence solution, there are around 6 SAP BTP services like the SAP AI Core, SAP Translation Hub, etc. can be used to achieve the artificial intelligence capability of SAP BTP. Similarly, there is one more type that is based upon the commercial model. So if you click on the drop down, then you can see there are different commercial models are available like CPEA, that is a Cloud Platform Enterprise Agreement, then pay as you go, subscriptions, trial, etc. So we are going to learn in detail about this commercial model in our next topic, that is what are the different ways to start with SAP BTP. So as of now, just keep in mind like this is one of the type or this is one of the category for this SAP BTP services. Next type is based upon the provider. So if you click on the drop down, then you will see the different type of the providers like SAP, then AWS, then Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, Alibaba, etc. The next one is the region. Obviously, this is the self-explanatory that based upon the region, the SAP BTP services are divided further. And the last one is the capabilities. So we can say in which particular sector SAP BTP services are being used. So based upon those, these are further categorized. So what I will suggest is, in your free time, you can go through each of the services which you feel is the relevant to you by just clicking on that particular service. So on click, you will get the details about the features. Then also if you click on the pricing tab, then that pricing related information also you will get. But I will suggest you more focus on the overview page, so that if you just scroll down, you will have the very useful information provided by the SAP, wherein you can further deep dive by using the resources and by using the tutorials and the learning section. Now, based on your area of interest or on which particular module you are working, please go through those relevant services. I also listed out few name of the services, so let's go through it quickly. Those services which I feel will be used very commonly or you will come across frequently are like SAP HANA Cloud, then SAP Cloud Foundry Runtime, then SAP Business Application Studio. Obviously, to start your development with the SAP CAP and the SAP Business Application Studio will be used there. The next one is the SAP Build, which will be used to automate your workflows or automate your business processes. Next is the ABAP environment. The name itself suggesting as this will be used for the SAP BTP and the ABAP related work. For security purposes, there is one service naming authorization and trust management. For integration purpose, we have the integration suite as a service. Then for analytics, or we can say to extract the meaningful value from the data, SAP Analytics Cloud service can be used. Then again for authorization purpose, there is important service as OAuth 2.0. So these are the services which you will use frequently. But this is not the list. As I mentioned, we have around 84 services as of now. So please go through at least name of all those services and go inside it if you feel that particular services is nearer to your area of the interest. Next point to discuss is getting started with SAP BTP, or what we can call it as what are the different ways to start with SAP BTP. With the SAP free tier service plan, you can experiment with SAP BTP and can get hands-on development experience. This plan basically is ideal for those who are completely new to the SAP BTP, so that they can explore the use cases which they are interested. Here you can develop, test and run in one account. Important point is you can easily upgrade to the paid service plan and get productive without rebuilding everything from the scratch. There are some limitations for each service plan in terms of usage capacity on a monthly basis. Obviously, this is a free service plan, hence there are few limitations based upon the usage capacity. Next way to start with SAP BTP is pay as you go. Basically, this is commercial model of SAP BTP and it is best suited for those who want to try out new business processes with SAP BTP or are constrained by budget, because you have to pay only for what you use. So you can sign up to start using cloud services in your production environment with no upfront cost and no minimum usage requirement. Next way is CPEA, that means the Cloud Platform Enterprise Agreement. It is again a consumption based commercial model where you pay in advance for the cloud credits. Here you will get access to all services available under CPEA, but your cloud credits will get consumed only for those services that you use. Next one is subscription. The name itself suggests that you have to select a fixed set of services for a fixed rate regardless of actual consumption. And it is again a commercial model, and it is good for those who have the specific use cases and have a specific budget. An important point is during the ongoing subscription time period, you can add the additional services for an additional fee. Perfect. So with this, we have reached to the end of our video on what is SAP BTP, and I hope you have get the high level insights about the SAP BTP topic. Alright, so we will stop here. Thank you and happy learning.